students and learners, welcome to my channel, My Master SMS. The day has come where I have told you few days ago, few videos before I told I'll be sharing some very important 40 basic properties and identities which are very helpful for your academic problems, solving the academic problems and making your calculations very speed and accurate. Okay, so let's get started. So dear students, just look at the board. Okay, these are first 24 and the rest other 16 also I will be giving you. Okay, first I'm giving you just some 10 seconds time. Just you can hold, if you want you can stop the video and note it down. Okay, just for 5 to 10 seconds I'll give you the time. You just copy now. Okay. Yeah, come on, let's get started. Okay, so these all are algebraic expressions. Okay, we have variables in this and few of them like constants also. So in this we will be discussing the main exponents, additions, subtractions, multiplications and the relations between these variables. Okay, so listen the complete the video, complete the video. Don't stop anywhere, don't skip anywhere. Okay, every step is very important. Okay, let's get started. So a plus b is equal to b plus a. It means any number 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 1. Anything, let's take minus also. Okay, if a is minus 1, b is plus 2, then a is minus 1, b is plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1, 2 minus 1 is also 1. Okay. Next, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Condition apply until unless a is not equal to b. If a and b are equal, then a minus b will be equal to b minus a. If a and b are not equal, then a minus b will be never equal to b minus a. Like 4 minus 5, 5 minus 4, minus 1 plus 1, not equal. Okay. Next, a into b is equal to b into a. Okay, anything, any number you take, 15 into 4 or 4 into 15. 60. Clear? Next, a divided by b is not equal to b divided by a. Same condition apply until unless a is not equal to b. If a is equal to b, then a by b will be equal to b by a. Okay. Next, a into b plus c. See, observe this bracket carefully. Okay. Now here we can multiply this a with b and also with c. Not can, must. We must multiply a into b plus a into c. Okay, the negative symbols, if there are negative, accordingly you have to do the calculations. Okay, in upcoming in the next video I will be doing the calculations on all these properties also. Okay, observe that video also, you will understand how to make it more speed and accurate. Okay, next, a is in numerator, b and c, b by c. It is nothing but a by 1. So a will be multiplied with only b. I observed few students multiply a with a and c also. That is not correct. We have to multiply a numerator only with numerator. Okay. Next, 1 by a into b by c. 1 by a into b by c. So here a is in numerator, c is also in, a is in denominator, c is in denominator. The denominator will get multiplied only with the denominator. So a into c. Next, a by b into c by d. We are multiplying numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So a into c by b into d. ninth one. These are exponents, powers, degrees. Okay, so a power m into a power n. So dear students, understand this is the base. This is called base, and this is called power. Power or degree or exponent, anything you can say. Okay, if the bases are same and the degrees are different or same, but if there is a multiplication operation, then you can add the powers. Okay, this is done. Okay, this is also done. Next, a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Means if the bases are same and powers are either same or different, if the numbers are dividing, then the degrees, the powers to be subtracted. Numerator power minus denominator power. Okay, next, ab whole power m. The operation between a and b is multiplication here, a into b. So a into b whole power m is equal to a power m into b power m. Here in almost all the properties in these exponents, vice versa also applicable. If they give some a power m minus n, you can write a power m by a power n, a by a power n, a power m by a power n. Okay, a power m into b power m. If it is a multiplication and there is a common power. Okay, a by b whole power m. Here the m goes to numerator and denominator. Okay. Next, a power minus m, 1 by a power m. If there is a negative symbol, in the power, then that number becomes reciprocal along with carrying the power. Okay. Next, a power 1 by n. If the power is in like 1 by v form or 1 by a form, okay, then it comes to the root, nth root. For example, if there is 4 power 1 by 2, so it is square root of 4, which is 2. Okay. Next, a power m power n. Power of powers are always multiplied. Remember, a power m whole power n. Here m into n gets multiplied, not added. Added here. This is power of power is different from having same base and different powers. Okay, a power m power n, a power m into n. If it is like a power x power y power z, then it will become a power x into y into z. Okay. Next, a power m by n. Dear students, here carefully observe this. This part is very, very important. A power m by n. Okay. The nth root, first nth root comes to a and whole power m. Master, can power can be given first? Yes. You can give power to a first and nth root, whole power nth root. Both the results will be same. Okay. We will be doing these problems also in the next video. Next, now we will be learning about the properties of 1. Okay. Properties of 1 and properties of 0 also. 1 power a means 1 power anything is 1. As you know, 1 into a is a. I didn't write it, as you everyone know that 1 into a is a. 1 power a is 1. A power 1 is a. Here 1 multiplied a times will be 1, always 1. Here a multiplied 1 time will be 1. We discussed in squares and cubes also, like a power 2 will be a into a. Here a power 1 will be a 1. That's it. A by 1. If you are dividing any number with 1, then the result will be a. Okay. 1 by a. Dividing 1 with a, will result a power minus 1. It is like reciprocal. Okay. 0 plus a. Now starting the properties of 0. 0 plus a is equal to a. 0 into a is 0. 0 power a. If you are multiplying 0 n number of times, then it will be 0 only. Okay. A power 0 is 1. Okay. Few more interesting properties about 0. Okay. All of them are not in your books, but usually students get these these interesting doubts about 0. So that's why I'm including those in this properties. Okay. So here 0 by anything is always 0. Okay. A divided by 0, A zeros are 0. So that's why it is 0. Okay. Just if you want to write this, if you want to copy this, just I will not interfere here. Just you can take for, you can just stop the video and note it down. Yeah. So this and A by 0. A by 0 is undefined because in 0 table you will not get A. Okay, so it is undefined. And many of you have doubt 0 by 0 undefined or infinity. Okay, 0 by 0 is said to be 1 actually, because see in many contexts it is 1 only, because 0 power anything, anything power 0 is always it is a multiplicative identity of 1. Like you are multiplying a with no terms, like 0 times you are multiplying. So it is always 1, and in very rare context they say it as undefined, but mostly it is 1 only. Okay, every time we use it as 1. Okay, and a by undefined is 0. Why? Because let's take a as some number 8. Undefined means let's take a big number. Let's take 1 lakh. Okay. Okay. When you divide this, it is very negligible, like 0.00008. You will get a. So it is very near to 0. Okay. And undefined by anything. When you divide some undefined big number with very small number, it will be undefined. Okay. And anything into undefined is undefined. Okay. And 0 power infinity is 0. As you know, how many times you multiply 0 by itself, it is always 0. Okay. And dear students, from here it's very important. From here, okay, be careful. Okay. A by B into C by D is equal to, here we are cross multiplying. We say it as cross multiplication. Okay. So A by B is equal to C by D, then A into D is equal to C into B, B into C. Okay, A plus B whole square, most of you know this identity, A square plus B square plus 2A. A minus B whole square, A square plus B square minus 2A. Okay, simple. To remember this formula, you have to substitute B with minus B. From this formula to this formula. From this formula to this formula, the only difference is B is replaced with minus B. Okay, observe carefully. Here B is replaced with minus B in this formula. On right hand side also B is replaced with B only, minus B only. But minus B whole square is plus B square, because minus into minus, it's plus. Okay, so A square plus B square minus B here, this B is replaced with minus B, that's why that minus came here. Minus into plus is minus. So A square minus B square minus A square plus B square minus 2A. Next, A plus B into A minus B. It's A square minus B square. When you multiply this, when you derive this, A into A square, B into A into minus B minus AB, B into A plus BA, plus B into minus B minus B square. Okay, minus AB plus AB cancel. Okay, A square minus B square. a square minus b square. Okay, next a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. If you expand this, if you want to expand this, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a, like terms, a into a square. Again 3ab into b, like term, b, 3ab square. Okay, next. Here same, as we done here, b is replaced with minus b here. Minus b, minus b, minus b, b with minus b whole cube, minus 1 whole cube, it is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. It is again minus 1. So it is minus b whole cube. Okay, next. Here b with minus b, that's why it is minus b. And next, a minus b, a minus b. Here plus, it is minus. Okay, if you expand this also, you will get a cube minus b cube minus into plus minus 3a into a minus 3a square b. Here minus into minus plus, this minus into this minus, this minus into this minus into minus plus 3ab into b, 3ab square. Okay, so you can consider these formulas for this. Next, a cube plus b cube. In some calculations, you will be facing this. Okay, a cube plus b cube, which is the product of a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube is the product of ab into a square minus ab plus b square. If you want, you can just multiply this, you will get a cube plus b cube. These terms will get cancelled, a square b, this a minus b. Okay. Next, the last formula is a plus b plus c whole square. Sometimes you will see this formula as x plus y plus z whole square. So a square plus b square plus c square 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Okay, so if it is xyz also, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy, 2yz, 2ze. Okay, dear students, hope you understood this basic properties and identities. Just note them. Just once you practice them, I will be sharing you a video on solving these problems very soon. Okay, focus on each and every property. Understand them. If you want, take their own numbers, like take any numbers on this. So take a value, b value on your own. Check whether LHS is getting equal to RHS or not. Okay. And one more important topic is there for 10th students, actually 10th, 11th and 12th students, that is logarithms. Okay, logarithms and its properties are also very important. I will be doing separate video for logarithms. Okay, hope you understood, and let's solve them.